Yes, my people, today in this video I'm going to be showing you an easy high protein meal that literally takes you about 10 minutes to make, and it's also a very filling meal and it's high in protein. It has a variety of nutrients in it, and you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, you name it. And it's also good for it's also good if you're someone who works a job like myself, and it also saves you time as well. You can pre-prep it, you can make it straight away. And yeah, it's good for it's a very good meal to have if you're someone who's very busy, who's very active, and who works a full-time job or a part-time job. Like myself, I work a part-time job, and yeah, this is the type of meal helped that saved me time. This meal is also good to have as a snack and as a pre-workout for the gym, as a pre-workout meal for the gym. And so if you're someone that's, let's say, for the sake of this example, if you're working a job and you're planning to go to the gym after you work, then you can just simply eat that meal during your work and then go to the gym an hour after that. And yeah, it's very convenient, it's easy to make, and literally takes you like 10 minutes. So to not waste your time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys my Greek yogurt bowl. So we're going to first start off with the Greek yogurt, obviously. And I'm using a 0% fat one. But if you're on a bulk, then yeah, you can use the high fat one. If you're on a cut, then use a low fat Greek yogurt. And make sure it's authentic Greek yogurt, not a Greek style yogurt. You want proper Greek yogurt. And yeah, so the second topping we're going to be using is some oats. And I always get the organic ones, as they are the best. They are the best oats. And yeah, we're going to top it with some. These are my toppings for the Greek yogurt. So we've got some bananas, raspberries, we've got some blackberries, and some grapes. Yeah, so you can use any toppings that you like, but these are just my preferred toppings. And we also got some dates to add in there. And these are the two sweeteners that I'm using. You can use any sweetener that you want. You can even use honey as well, but we didn't really have any honey, so yeah, I just decided to use some maple syrup as a replacement. And we also got some date syrup over here. And the first thing we're going to be doing is to put our Greek yogurt into the bowl or a container, which I'm using right now, as I'm trying to meal prep this for tomorrow. So yeah, we're just going to first start off with some Greek yogurt. I'm using about like 350 grams of it. But you can just add however much you guys want. But yeah, I'm just using 350 grams. And yeah. And then once that's done, you're going to then add your oats. I'm using about 70 grams of oats over here, but you can add however much you want. But yeah, I really need that much oats because as this is going to be my pre-workout meal for the gym. So obviously I need to be getting enough carbs in before my workout. And so yeah, that's why I'm adding quite a lot of oats into that Greek yogurt. And once you've done that, you're just going to mix it in so that the oats can soak up the yogurt. And then once that's done, you're going to be simply adding your fruits of choice. And in this case, I'm using a banana, followed with some dates. And these dates have been pitted, and I just shredded them into pieces. Followed by some more fruits, which I showed you from the start of the video on which fruits I'm using, which is blackberries, raspberries, grapes, and yeah, that's pretty much it for my fruit choices. But you can use any fruits that you like. But one tip is when adding your fruits in there, is to leave it on the top and avoid mixing it with the yogurt. Otherwise, the fruits are just going to become soggy, meaning it won't be able to taste nice. So yeah, if you're trying to meal prep this, then yeah, just avoid mixing the yogurt with the fruit. And then finally, to top it off, we're just going to be adding our 2 sweeteners that we chose, which is the maple syrup and date syrup. And yeah, you can use any sweeteners that you like. You can even use honey as well, like I said. And yeah, so add as much as you like. And I added quite a lot on there since I'm a very active person. And yeah, I do quite move a lot as well. And yeah, so I'm adding, in this case, maple syrup followed by some date syrup as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my toppings. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.